Okay, did it work? No, I didn't. Okay, with it. We're gonna do the helium challenge.
Hi.
You try it. Where is the hole? It's right here. Make it bigger. No, it's big enough. But then, now it's gone.
Hi. Oh my god. What the heck is wrong with me? Hello? Hello? Oh my god, take some. I want more. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. No, I feel so dizzy. If you like it, then you put a ring on it. Not all of it. Not all of it. Kayla. I didn't even get it in my mouth. I didn't even get it in my mouth.